Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey, if you don't know who I am, my name's Sai, and I want to talk to you, just to you. This is a message just to you right now. You're watching this. You probably know a little bit about my story. Started with the whole Kindle self-publishing thing, 2016. And I've done my thing, got the course, and got the publishing business, and a whole bunch of other things going on. And I wanted to talk about the number one reason I actually wanted to start a course. I wanted to help people hit their first $1,000 as quickly as possible, the best way possible, so they could have the same type of feeling that I had when I made my first $1,000 for my family. You know, my self-publishing blueprint, I'm happy to say it's done that. We've had hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of students go through that program and successfully make their first 1,000, and of course many thousands beyond that. The second thing I wanted to do was impact the community, impact the industry on a scale that had never been done before. And I wanted to find a way to kind of give back and bring everybody together. And so I did that last year, and I created what's called the Self-Publishers Mastermind in Cancun. And last year, I'll link up the video so you can check it out. Last year was a crazy, crazy time. We had people fly in from all over the world, much like we do this year. We had people fly in from all over the world, come together for 3 days, 4 days, and learn from each other, impact each other, create friendships and bonds that are unbreakable. And most importantly, change their lives. And that's what I want to invite you to this year's Self-Publishers Cancun Mastermind, September 12th to the 15th. So you can come and you can have your life changed, not your business. That'll happen, but I'm talking about your life. And I'm gonna make some insane guarantees. So stay with me as I'm sweating. I don't know where you are in the world right now, but it is hot down in Mexico right now. We don't have the ocean breeze here, but it's gonna be hot in Cancun in September as well. And when you're coming to this event, you're coming not just to learn about publishing. You will learn about publishing, because when you bring all these people together who are doing the exact same thing you're doing, you're going to learn a thing or two. You're going to get some secrets for sure. But you're coming to have your life changed. That's the real reason I want you to come to this event. I want you to come to this event because you are fed up with the direction of your life, or the direction of your life is going slower than you want it to right now. And so you're coming because you want a kick in the ass, maybe. You want some fire under you. You want to drastically change the direction of your life. That's why I want you to come to this event, because that's exactly what it's going to do for you. We have the biggest, most influential people in the self-publishing space coming and speaking to this event. These are the elite of the elite. The best of the best come in here. I'm sure you know who they are, the Mickelson twins, right? What they've done in the audiobook segment, and that now that they've released AIA 2.0, has completely redefined what it takes to make a publishing course. And they are going to be bringing their energy, which they do so well, to this event that just talking to them will change your life. We're bringing Marco, and you have no clue what he's working on. I ain't gonna tell you what he's working on, but I've been pushing that guy every week. Bro, I need that ready for September. I need it ready for September. And he's like, I don't know. I'm like, I don't want to hear, I don't know. Marco, I need it ready for September. This shit will change everything with how you're marketing your books. Like, everything. We got the copywriting god himself, Ollie L. Gore. If you haven't watched Ollie's message from last year's event, I need you to listen to it, because his message is still probably one of the best messages I've ever heard in my life. And then we got D1 Bainey, the old school, the old G. He's coming, and D1 has 150 books, making him $3,000 to $4,000 a month that he hasn't touched in like 3 years. And he's coming to spit his knowledge on just what he does and how you can use this space to change and impact your life. And then, yeah, you got to listen to me a little bit more. Take it or leave it, right? But the conversations you're going to have around the pool, the conversations we're going to have at dinner time, conversations we'll have at the bar, these are the ones that are going to change your life. And I can guarantee you this. In fact, I'm going to do this. I'm going to do this. Right? We're 5 minutes, 42 seconds into this video right now. I'm going to do this. I'm so confident that this event will change your life. Actually, I'm going to leave that till the second. I'm going to give you a personal guarantee in a second. So, objections. It's too far. Suck it up, princess. Okay, get on a plane, see the world. Traveling is one of the best and most important things you can do in your life. Okay, I don't have the money. Look, I remember Gerald. Last year, I have the video on my channel. Gerald had to borrow the money. He somehow scraped it together. In fact, I think he couldn't even pay for the hotel one night, so he had to stay with the twins in their room. I'm not advising that. I don't even know if you can technically do that, but he had to do that. He found a way. Kid's making I don't know how much he's making now, but he's making, I'm pretty sure he's crossed the $10,000 mark a couple months in a row by now. But he's making money, more than he was making before. Juan came last year. I don't even think he was making money with publishing last year when he came to Cancun. He came all the way from Spain, making no money from publishing. Came all the way from Spain to Cancun. Now, making a few $1,000s every single month, $5,000 to $7,000 every single month. He's quit his job. He's, everything's going up in his life because he made the commitment, the investment in himself to come to this event. I don't have the money is not an excuse. I don't have the money is not an excuse. This is something you cannot afford to miss. If you have the option of coming to this event and you don't, you're just simply not taking your position, what you're doing seriously enough. Straight up. That's what it is. This event is not just about hanging out with, some boys and girls at the pool and having a good time. We're gonna do that. It's so much more than that. And if you talk to people who went last year, they will tell you it's so much more than that. This event can completely change the trajectory of your life. We all know the Mickelson twins story by now. I had to get on the phone, talk to them, convince them to come to the event. They didn't think it was going to be valuable. Their life direction changed after this event. And it went like a freaking rocket ship. Mickelson twins, rocket ship. That's what this event can do for you. Okay, so here's my guarantee. I'm so confident that this event will change your life. I will personally guarantee you this. You come to the event, you buy a ticket, right? So the ticket for the event, link in the description. You buy your ticket, come to the event. Over the next 4 months, after September, next 4 months, you apply everything you've learned. You're in communication with me. We'll talk about this. You're in communication with me. You apply everything you've learned over the next 4 months. If your life is not in a better, more forward direction, if your business is not in a better, more forward direction, I will personally 100% refund your ticket plus 10% just because I'm that fucking confident that this event will change your life. 110% guarantee on this. Personal guarantee. I ain't doing this for the money. I'm doing this because I care, because I want your life to change. I bought that thing because of Kindle publishing. Got sweat in my eyes. It's too hot. I need to be in a pool right now. I need to be dipping in the ocean in Cancun with you. Reach out to me. If you want a personal call with me, fuck it, I'll put my calendar link. No, you're gonna email me. If you want a personal call with me, email me and I'll set up a personal call with you to talk about the event, talk about whatever issues you might have, questions you might have. I'm bringing my wife, the kids are coming, so yes, you can bring your wife, your kids, your husband, your sister, your brother, your mom, your dad, your grandpa, your grandma. Bring anybody. We just want to be able to help and impact as many people as possible. Hey, I'm a Mecca. Whew. It's a hot one today, but it's gonna be even hotter. September 12th to the 15th in Cancun.